Welcome. In front of me is an Oukitel WP36, and today I'll show you how you can import your contacts from the SIM card to the device. So to get started, you'll want to open up the standalone contacts application that looks like this. Next, navigate to Fix and Manage, and then Manage SIM. This in turn will display all the contacts that are located on your SIM card. And by default, they should probably, in your case, be all selected. For me, some of them are deselected, as you can see, and also grayed out. And if I try to import them, as you can see, it gives me a pop-up that contact already exists in my list. So it's just simply stopping me from creating duplicate contacts. Now, by default, the device will also want to import all your contacts to your Google account if you have one signed in. If you don't have any kind of account signed in, then you'll only have the device as an option or to import your contacts to, which Save To field right here will completely not be visible in your case. That is, like I said, only if you don't have any kind of Google account signed in. So when device is the only option, it just doesn't show you any options. And as you can see also, when I selected the device, it automatically selected all the contacts, as there are no contacts present on the device, so no duplicate contacts will exist. Now from here we can choose import. This will import all selected contacts, and let's keep off. And when we go to contacts list, you should see your contacts visible somewhere in here. Now for me right now it's displaying contacts from my Google account, so I'm gonna switch it to display them from device. And here are all the imported contacts. So, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.